If your Oculus Quest 3 turns on, but shows nothing except a black screen, you're dealing with one of the most common Quest 3 issues. In this video, we'll go through the real causes and the fixes that actually work. Let's get started. Fix number 1. Force restart the headset. The first fix you should try is a force restart. Press and hold the power button for at least 10 to 15 seconds until the headset fully shuts down. Wait a few seconds, then power it back on. This clears temporary system glitches and resolves many black screen cases caused by frozen background processes. Fix number 2. Check charging and battery. A Quest 3 with very low battery can power on without activating the display. Plug the headset into a reliable charger and let it charge for at least 30 minutes before turning it on again. Avoid using third-party or low-power chargers, as insufficient power can cause boot failures and display issues. Fix number 3. Test the proximity sensor. The proximity sensor sits between the lenses and detects whether the headset is being worn. If it's blocked by dust, sweat, or debris, the screen may stay black. Gently clean the sensor area using a dry microfiber cloth. After cleaning, put the headset on properly and check if the display turns on. Fix number 4. Use the Meta app. Open the Meta Quest mobile app, go to Devices, and select your Quest 3. In some cases, launching a game or navigating settings from the app forces the headset interface to load and restores the display. This works when the system is running, but the home environment fails to appear. Fix number 5. Factory reset as a last resort. If none of the basic fixes work, a factory reset may be required. Power off the headset completely. Press and hold volume down and power together until the boot menu appears. Use the volume buttons to select factory reset, then confirm with the power button. This will erase all data, but often fixes black screen issues caused by corrupted system files. When it's likely a hardware issue. If the headset still shows a black screen after a factory reset, the problem is likely hardware related. This can include a damaged display panel, loose internal connections, or a faulty sensor. At this point, the correct step is to contact Meta support or an authorized repair service, especially if the device is still under warranty.